Okay, we were having issues the other day. I knew someone was having issues with finding part for a toilet that's older, and they found it right here. So check them out if you're having technical difficulties with certain types of part. Now bear with me, they may not have it, but they sure will be able to help you or point you in the right direction. Stop and say hi, hello. Check them out for little home improvement and repairs. Right here in Santa Elena Cayo District, Belize Central America. Just off the George Price Highway.